The Snow Peak flat burner integrates seamlessly into iron grill table setups, creating a stable flush cooking surface that feels like part of the table rather than a tacked-on stove. Its low-profile design and smooth top make it easy to slide pots and pans around while still offering a surprisingly spacious area for medium-sized cookware. The recessed burner head and surrounding structure provide very good protection from wind, so the flame stays consistent even when conditions are less than ideal at camp. Output is strong enough for real cooking, from simmering sauces to rapidly boiling water, without the hot spots that plague many compact camp stoves. Build quality is excellent, with stainless steel and metal components that feel durable and refined, matching the rest of Snow Peak's modular kitchen system. Although it is not the lightest option for backpacking, it is outstanding for car camping or base camps where a stable, table-height cooking station is a priority.